The Apollo Tools Original 39-piece General Household Tool Kit is a perfect starter kit for anyone in need of essential hand tools for basic home repairs and DIY tasks. This set includes a variety of frequently used tools, such as an 8 ounces claw hammer, lineman pliers, a tape measure, a utility knife, and a bit driver with 20 popular bit sizes. Additionally, the kit includes precision screwdrivers, hex keys, and scissors, all neatly stored in a compact toolbox. A portion of the proceeds from this pink ribbon edition supports breast cancer research, making it a thoughtful gift for new homeowners, college students, or DIY enthusiasts. Users love the Apollo Tools 39-piece kit for its practicality and thoughtful selection of tools, making it ideal for small household tasks like hanging pictures, opening boxes, and tightening screws. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and transport, perfect for first-time tool owners in apartments or dorms. Many customers also appreciate the Pink Ribbon initiative, knowing their purchase supports breast cancer research. The variety of tools included, such as the precision screwdrivers and hex keys, covers a wide range of needs for basic repairs. While the Apollo Tools set is great for everyday tasks, some users noted that it may not be sufficient for larger or more demanding projects. A few customers mentioned that the smaller size of the hammer and utility knife limits their effectiveness for heavy-duty use. Additionally, the quality of the tools, while adequate for light use, may not meet the expectations of those who need more durable, professional-grade equipment. However, for basic home maintenance, the kit is generally well-suited to it. The Apollo Tools 39-piece Household Tool Kit is a reliable and well-rounded choice for anyone looking for a basic DIY tool set. With essential tools for everyday repairs, it's perfect for first-time homeowners, students, or anyone needing a compact, easy-to-use kit. The Pink Ribbon Edition adds a meaningful touch, supporting breast cancer research with every purchase. While it may not be suited for heavy-duty projects, this kit is a great gift and a practical solution for small repairs and DIY tasks around the home. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.